Okay, we are prepping the inside of the firewall, the passenger side. I've drilled the final holes for the evaporator. Here's one hole. You can see there's the other hole. A couple problems here that I'm not happy with is if you notice, there's some daylight coming in through that hole right there. Okay, so you can see that. And trying to see if there's any other daylight. Yeah, that's the one I don't like. And there's a little bit of some bubbles right here from the original manufacturer, the seam sealer. One right there, and a big old glob of it right there. I have no idea how that got there. And another thing I don't like, if we come over here, is you can see that there's gaps right there. And I just have a concern that those gaps, even though there's a bead of RTV pretty much running here on the inner side of the bolts, that there could be some leaks. So what I'm going to be doing is grinding down those bubbles on the seam sealer, vacuuming it, prepping it all, and then putting the Dynamat in here. Then I'll I'll install the AC evaporator, and then seal the outside. So that's where we are. Man, I feel like I got a long ways to go. Thanks, guys. Go team.